technical round. Then came the second bid, which two bids came in. Again, his bid was knocked out on technical grounds. He improved the bid, and the third bid, he persevered, and today we are inaugurating the terminal. So it's really a huge success story, not only for PGPC, but for Pakistan. Today we have PGPC, the consortium. It has BW, they have Trafigura with them. Now Mitsui has joined in. XPE from China is the EPC contractor, and of course Fortco is a big part of this consortium. So it's truly a global consortium. It has companies right from Japan to Pakistan to Europe to China. So it's truly a global effort that you see at work here. And what it delivers for Pakistan is extraordinary. When this government came in 2013, the energy issue that they at that time, the first thing that at least the ministry was more gas into the system. We cannot solve the energy problems. So, thing that we focused on to adding more gas into the system, and LNG issues with the two pipelines we had was the natural solution. At that time in 2013, all our gas-based power plants were shut down. We 1 million tons of fertilizer, which is the largest in the world at that time, was shut down. Shortages, industry was down to 2 days of gas. Today, alhamdulillah, with the first terminal and now the second terminal come online, we will inshallah be in Pakistan. But this is a temporary surplus because we have 3 large power plants coming online. We have a 4th one coming online. I was just with the Sindh Chief Minister. They are putting up, they want to put up 2 1200 megawatt power plants, and we have at least 1 BCF of actual demand that people have put in demand for in industry and captive plants and CNG that is needed here. So we expect the need for LNG to grow substantially in Pakistan. A year back, I was in Tokyo and I mentioned that Pakistan will be in 5 years a 30 million ton per annum market, and people are very skeptical. But now people believe in the story, and you will see that Pakistan will exceed 30 million tons per year within the next 3 years, I believe. And it's a proud moment to see. We were at the FSRU before this, and we could see the first LNG terminal, and there was FSRU there, and one of the largest vessels in the LNG business, the Q-Flex, was delivering its cargo. This terminal will have the first cargo on the 24th, and Mr. Waqt Ahmed, with his new consortium, is putting in a second terminal without any government guarantees, without any off-take guarantees. That is the confidence in the market and the requirement of the market that is visible. And aside from Mr. Waqt Ahmed, there are at least 2 more terminals, maybe 3 or even 4 that will come into the market. So the industry sees a demand, the industry sees a need, and they are coming in to fulfill that need. Even this terminal was not provided any sovereign guarantees. It has been the tradition in Pakistan to provide sovereign guarantees to projects. This is even the first LNG terminal and the second one have been built without any sovereign guarantees, without a penny of investment of the government of Pakistan. Because the first thing that we realized was that the government should not be in the business of doing business. And alhamdulillah, it's been a very successful story. If you just look at Port Qasim, you start with the bulk terminal. The next is the Sui Southern LPG terminal.
پورٹ قاسم
which
پر
used to
LNG
be-
تقریب پر